Mike owns his own auto repair business called Mike's Auto Repair. He has been in business for 16 years. Since he has been in business for so long, he has tons of experience. He is fully licensed and insured. He specializes in engine tune-ups and transmission repairs. Mike's Auto Repair knows there's a demand for cars to be serviced, but he can't seem to get any new clients. So he Googled the keywords video advertising company, and he came across Video Signature Ads. He found out that their commercials were very affordable, so he got a couple for his business. Call Video Signature Ads today for a new custom video commercial at 714-904-0727 or visit their website at www.videosignatureads.com.